What have we got here, James?
New contender.
A new contender.
A new last place.
Apollo RFZ. This is actually a really nice one. Which Volt suspension. Apparently this was some special edition that came with like better rear shock and fork. Those front forks look pretty serious. They definitely do look nice. No adjustment though, or is it on the bottom?
It's on the bottom.
Okay, so it's not double, it's just single adjustment. Still nice. James had to go and put some levers on it. It was missing them. Yeah, breakaways are probably good for us. And then you put a new back tire on it, so. Stole that for what, 300?
Yep.
300 bucks, guys.
Special.
So, figured we'd show y'all that care about it. Anyways, since we figured out the coil pack on one side was flipped backwards, the coil pack harness, James really wants to put the proper one on and plug the harness back in and see if it'll start. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, so we hooked everything up.
That was loud as fuck.
Yeah, it was.
It started right now.
All right, now try it.
Fine.
Let it idle. Try to.
It won't.
I wonder why it won't idle.
Yeah, I'll hold it open a little bit. It might not be zeroed out.
Try to just barely do it.
I'm trying to barely hold it.
Oh, it's gotta learn. It's gotta learn.
What'd you say?
It's probably gotta learn. It's probably
Give me
gotta learn.
some.
Healthy.
Holy sh**.
Well, boys and girls, if anybody ever says anything, I will permanently, from this point forward, it's July 25th, 2020, and from here until the day I die, if anybody has any minor random issue with their car, I'm going to say your coil pack harness is backwards.
Carburetor is no more. Coil
Yeah.
pack now.
Coil pack harness
Coil pack,
is backwards.
Even if it's carbureted.
Even if your tire is
distributed.
flat, your coil pack harness is backwards. That's all it was, guys.
We need to FaceTime John now.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll probably do it one more time for John and then chill. This bitch will get hot quick. Well, there's that.
Thank God.
I'm still the new harness is still on the way. I'm still gonna do that just because it's a little bit cleaner than what I did, and it eliminates every possibility of any minor grounding issues or anything like that. So that's cool, man.
Tell her about the good first start.
What was that sound? Yeah, she heard it. That's cool, guys. Frickin' coil pack harness was backwards. Damn, dude. I wonder why it was backfiring a little bit.
Open header. It probably needs to learn.
Yeah, you could tell it's trying to idle. This tune should be solid. It's just with the map sensor not plugged in.
This might not be learned either.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it didn't relearn or whatever.
We got all those vacuums plugged in.
Yeah. We're probably gonna fire it up one more time for John, FaceTime him, but it's pretty cool. Pretty cool.